morning, Ian Blair Hamilton here. I'm just going to show you something really interesting. This isn't for everybody, it's pre-release, we're still testing it. But this device is very, very interesting. I'll just pour some water from it and show you how easy it is. There we go. Turn it off. So, what's so special about that? What's so special about it is that that's high hydrogen water. Okay? Now, high hydrogen water can be gotten at very low levels from a standard electronic water ionizer, at a much higher level from the UltraStream, and at a similar high level from this unit here. So, still not excited. Let me tell you why this one's exciting. The problem that electronic ionizers, $4,000, $3,000, $5,000 have is to get a lot of hydrogen into the water, and hydrogen is the beneficial element in the water. To get a lot of hydrogen into the water, they have to go to a very high pH. When you go to very high pH, two things happen. It tastes awful, and B, you might get a dose of extreme diarrhea in a hell of a hurry. So you don't want to be drinking high pH water just to get high hydrogen. To get that sort of hydrogen, you get it all the time in the UltraStream without the high pH. So we've got that already. But many people just don't like high pH. They believe that high pH water has a bad effect on you, and I'm not here to say it does or it doesn't, but this one is a water ionizer that does not change the pH. So this is quite amazing. The second thing this is not only a water filter, it's also a water conditioner. Now, the big problem with electronic water ionizers is that they take the calcium that's in the water, and most of America, most of Europe, lots of Australia have hard water already. That means lots of calcium in the water. When there's lots of calcium in the water and you put it through an electronic water ionizer, you get lots and lots of calcium in your water. When you have lots and lots of calcium in your water and you change the pH of the water, which an electronic water ionizer does, the calcium comes out of solution and goes into suspension, and it's sticky. And it sticks to everything. It sticks inside the electrolytic cell, it sticks inside your pipes, it sticks to your bottles, it sticks to your kettle, right? And you know, if you've got hard water at home, you know what we're talking about here, and you'll see it on the end of your spout. But it's just the nature of an electronic water ionizer, they can't help it, and then you've got to send it in for a cleanse, or you've got to do a weekly cleanse yourself, or you waste heaps of water pouring it down the drain. Okay. This unit has in it a very special conditioner. Now, we call it a water conditioner. It's based on Victor Schauberger's principles of spiraling water. And we have found ourselves that there are devices on the market, they're very expensive, they're anywhere from $500 to $3,000 that will do your whole house in this. But what we've managed to do with this unit is localise it down to the actual water in here. So it's overcoming the calcium problem. And that's huge. So what you've got superbly filtered water, 3 filters in there, you've got your water conditioner in there, and then you've got a patented electrolytic cell that does not change the pH, that actually uses reverse osmosis to separate out ultra pure water, load it up with hydrogen, and then return it to the same purified stream. Very clever stuff. Now, the question is, will this take over the electronic water ionizer? Well, we're already taking over the electronic water ionizer with the UltraStream. We've sold 4,000 of them, and they're selling like hotcakes. But for those people that want electronics because they think it's better, perhaps this is really something. I love your thoughts.